Look at all these
chicken. What is up, guys? Welcome back to this Slimeatory. How much slime does $100 worth of slime kits make? So yeah, as today's like Vajaz will be trying to push the like button with your nose. Yeah. Let's get straight on into the video, yo. So guys, I was at the store and I saw these slime kits, $10 each, and I was like, you know what? How much slime can $100 worth of the slime kits make? This is 10 slime kits, guys. So let's just go ahead and start opening them up. I'm very excited. I'm wondering how much it's gonna make. I feel like it's gonna make like maybe a fourth a gallon of glue, maybe a fourth a gallon of slime. I don't know, but let's get started. So guys, I tried getting all the clear glue slime kits, but I hope that there might be like a couple, maybe a few with white glue. But anyways, let's go ahead and see. So this one is just I think it's just a regular Nickelodeon slime one. Bring on the slime. You just open it really quick. Oh, I think this one is called Silly Slimy Fun. It says right there. So great.
the other side.
So let's see, guys. Let me just take everything out. This one says it makes pearlescent slime, and I'm just trying to figure out where is the pearlescent pigment. Is this the pearlescent pigment? No. This is the glow-in-the-dark pigment. There's no pearlescent pigment. 1 second, guys.
Look, a tiny spoon for your travel size kit.
Oh, right. Okay, so I got 2 buckets, guys, because we have white glue apparently too, so yeah. Okay, so I got this bottle of clear glue. Okay, so usually they tell you to put a bunch of water in here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put some water. And they usually do like 2 times the amount of glue, so I'm just gonna put 2 bottles of this. 1 second. Okay, so there's 1 bottle of water. We just need 1 more. Okay, there's another bottle. Okay, next slime kit. I'm just gonna do, well, actually, I should just do the white glue right now. We're gonna go ahead and dump the white glue. And it's the same thing with the water, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing. They give you a pretty good amount of glue. Okay, guys, I got all the water in here, and now I'm gonna go ahead and just open all these things and do the exact same thing. Ooh, guys, this one comes with a cool bottle. I don't remember, I think it's the same thing. It's the same one, but it comes in a different bottle. Look at this. Look how cool it is.
That is so much cooler.
That is so much cooler. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put that in here. It seems thicker, doesn't it? No?
I don't know, you're the queen.
I know. Kidding. Next one I'm gonna do, guys, is sparkling unicorn slime. I don't think I've ever done this one, guys, but it looks really cool. They got some holographic like little star glitters right there, and also this glitter right here. It looks really cool. This next one I'm gonna do, guys, is called Wild and Wacky Slime. This one is actually really cool. It comes with ponies and like duckies and like, I think that's it, but still really cool. Okay, it comes with like these little eyeball things. These are so cool. And then ponies that are super pretty. They're crazy loom bands, actually. They're clear and glittering. They look awesome. And then some bells and then some duckies. Some like it's just 3 duck charms. They're so freaking cute, guys. This has got to be my favorite kit. This one is really cool, guys. And it comes with just 1 bottle of clear glue, and I think that is it. Yeah. So far, this is all I have. I don't have too much white glue. Like I said, I mostly got like clear glue, so I have more clear glue. But yeah, it's going pretty good. Let's just keep going. Okay, guys, so my last bottle of glue, of clear glue. I also have 1 more bottle of white glue. Almost done. Okay, we're all done, guys. I put all the glue in here. We got all the slime activators, the glitters, the charms, the ponies, the paints. We got a lot of paint, guys. The bowls and the containers. I'm planning on making a bunch. I'm planning on like decorating these all and then putting them in containers and seeing how much we can make. But first, I gotta make all of it. So yeah, let me just do that. Okay, I'm gonna make the white one first because I have white glue in my hands still. So this is all the white glue we have. I'm gonna use these jumbo sticks that it comes with because I like them. And then I'm gonna just use the activator that it comes with too, because the activator is pretty good, guys. Like, it's actually really strong. This looks like milk, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and activate it. I remember this activator is very strong, so I don't want to put too much.
It's so cool.
Okay, guys, I am almost done with it. It is actually really, really cool. I love the texture, but like, look at it. It's super jiggly. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out, do a little bit of ASMR. I love jiggly slimes, guys, especially white jiggly slimes. Okay, well, this turned out really, really cool, guys. I love it. It's like jiggly. It's like super jiggly. It kind of reminds me of the water slime, but like a little bit less watery, I guess, and just better. It jiggles so much. It's the best thing ever. Okay, well, I guess that's enough for this one. Let's go ahead and do the clear slime. So here's the clear slime, guys. Let me just go ahead and mix this up. I have a lot more, as you guys can see. I'm excited for this one. I really like clear jiggly. I like jiggly slimes in general, guys, like a lot. Why is this turning foggy? This looks magnificent. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and add the slime activator. We also have like still half a bottle of it, and this is just from one slime kit, so they give you a lot. Okay, let's go ahead and start mixing. You know what, this one I'll just use my magic. This hand doesn't work. Okay, let me try.
Whoa!
There we go!
That's amazing, Ameerah. Whoa. I got better magic though.
Okay, here it is, guys. Look at how nice. It's like water slime, but like not clear yet. So here's the texture, guys. It did take 5 bottles of activator, guys, and it's probably because there's more clear glue in here, and just like, I feel like also maybe clear glue, you know, takes a little bit more activator to do, to, you know, activate. But anyways, guys, also, it is kind of still sticky, but it's not really stretchy, so I don't really want to put any more, but I'm just gonna put a little bit more. It's gonna be 5.5 bottles. What? Okay, well that's it for this. Let's just go ahead and start decorating our slimes and see how much slimes we can make. So let's go. I'm sitting down now, guys, and I'm about to make a bunch of slime. Yeah. Okay, well, Paul's gonna be holding the camera up, so shout out to Paul's channel. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating the slime, guys, now. Okay, first I'm gonna do this clear one, guys. Just a little word, guys. Usually thicker slimes take longer to clear up because there's, you know, thicker, so the bubbles take longer, but since it's thinner, it takes less time. So if you want to clear slime really quick, just try and make it like jiggly or maybe a bit thinner. But yeah, I'm gonna try and make this one the pearlescent one. Okay, guys, here's how it turned out. It actually turned out really well. I guess this is what they meant by pearlescent, because like I saw on the thing that said make pearlescent slime, but I couldn't find any pearlescent like pigment or like paint or anything. But I guess this is what it is, and it looks super, super pretty. I really like it. Yeah, this is really, really pretty. Kind of looks like Cinderella. Okay, put that away. I'm gonna make this one. I'm gonna make this one purple. I'm gonna try to make this one a pastel purple if I can. I think I can. Okay, my ASMR is gonna be very shaky. This is nice. I like this one a lot, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and get on to the next one. I'm gonna try to make this one a pastel green. We're gonna make a little smiley face while we're at it. Boop. This one's cool, guys. It's like a weird color. I don't know. It reminds me of a cactus. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna make some more colors really quick and I'll get back to you guys. Guys, look at how clear this is. I'm gonna try and attempt to make this one a like purple pearlescent by mixing the pink and the blue pearlescent. Ooh, guys, this looks cool. This one is kind of like a princess. It's kind of like clear still, and it looks really pretty, and it's like a pastel purple pearlescent, so I'm gonna continue doing that. I'm gonna make like a pearlescent green too. Like, this is awesome. Okay, put that one away. Okay, this one I'm gonna try and make a pearlescent green. Ooh, this one looks really pretty, guys, because it turned into kind of like an aqua color. This one is so pretty, guys. Okay, guys, these look beautiful. Look at them. They are gorgeous. Okay. Next one I'm gonna make, guys, I think maybe I'll put some of these right here, these weird eyeball things that are really cool. Few of those, yes. And I will make it, okay, I think I should make it green. It's like monster, you know what I'm saying?
I know what you're saying.
Paul knows what I'm saying. Okay, there it is, guys. Ooh, this looks really cool. Like, it's green, it has like these eyeball things in it. Yes. Okay, I'm all done with this one. Next one, I'm gonna do a clear slime. I'm gonna try and do the pony one, but look at how clear this is. I'm sorry, guys. I know I'm like crazy about clear slime, but yeah, thanks for dealing with me. Okay, so I'm gonna put these glitter rubber bands. They look amazing, by the way. Okay, here they are, guys. They look so freaking cool. They're like clear and glittery. I'm not sure if you can make a crunchy pony loom band slime if your slime is jiggly, because it's like thin, you know, it kind of has to be thick. So yeah, I don't know if this is gonna work, guys. Okay, well, it looks really cool. I don't know, guys. Next, I'm gonna attempt to make, I'm gonna try to make it like a clear, I'm gonna try and keep it clear, so I'm just gonna put like a little bit of pink paint, because like the paint is a little watery. So I'm just gonna put a teensy bit of pink paint, and let's see if we can give it kind of like a pink tint and keep it clear. It gave it a really, really pretty pink tint, but I kind of want more. So I'm gonna put a little bit more. Ooh, this kind of looks like lip gloss because it's kind of like foggy. I think it looks really cool. It looks like lip gloss to me. Okay, I want to make this kind of look like a little bit of glitter. Lip gloss. I wanted to make it look like lip gloss. There you go. So I'm going to put a little bit of sparkles in it. Look at how pretty they are. Yes. Seriously, it looks like this really pretty lip gloss. Like, I would buy some lip gloss like this. I just want to take a little moment to show you guys everything that I have. So, because I haven't really showed you guys that. So I have these loom bands right here. I have 2 packs of that actually, I think there's just 2 packs. Then we got some bells right here. We got like 2 packs of that too. Eyeballs. I had 2 packs, but I have no idea where the second pack went. There they are. They were under the white glue the whole time. There's the second pack of eyeballs. Then I have 4 packs of this glitter, this beautiful glitter. I have a bunch of paint, probably like maybe 10. I have 5 of these glitter packets. Oh, I guess I have 5 of these glitter packets too. And then I have 2 packets of googly eyes. I have a lot of stuff. Oh wait, 3 packets of googly eyes. 3 packets of bells, actually. 2 packets of this pretty blue glitter. Oh my God! And like 6 ducks. Look at all these chickens. Okay, that's all I have, guys. We have like actually a lot of stuff, a lot of supplies. I think these slime kits are pretty good for like a one-time slime thing, you know? But like these are really good. This one I'm gonna try and make it Christmassy. I'm gonna make this one green. And I think I'm gonna add a tiny bit of the pearlescent paint just to kind of give it a little sparkly vibe. Ooh, look at how pretty that looks. It's like the perfect amount of sparkliness and it's like green and like awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna get my bag of jingle bells. Yes! Okay, this looks so cool, guys. It literally looks like a Christmas slime. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and make a bunch of slimes really quick off camera and I'm gonna show them to you guys.
Look at all these
chickens. Okay, guys, here are all these slides. Paul also helped with some. You guys can't tell.
For example, this one, and this one, and this one, and this one.
Yours are a mess.
And this one, and this one.
Okay, anyway, so we got this red one, this plain red one that Paul made.
Now it's not plain anymore. You just
it's got sparkles in it now, but it looks better.
Cool.
It's a little dry because of all the paint you put, Paul. Then we got this green one that Paul made.
Looks awesome.
Yes, okay. Then we got this purple one that Paul also made.
Nice.
Next one is a duck pond that Paul made. It's actually really, really cool. The ducks, they might have like drowned. Okay, here's a little miniature smoothie. It doesn't stretch very well, but it looks cool. Next one, can you guys guess who made this one? It's a duck pond, except it has sparkles in it. That would be Paul. Next one is a blue sparkly one with like a tint of purple, I think. This one is a clear slime with just glitter on it. You guys like that ASMR? Next one is just a blue sparkly one.
You know what this one's called?
No.
Deep Blue Ocean.
Deep Blue Ocean by Paul. Next one is a green one with a bunch of googly eyes. Monster by Paul. This one is just a clear slime with this glitter.
It's called Party Fest. Oh, this one's my favorite. Here's
another one of Paul's. It's clear with bells, blue glitter, and googly eyes. I like it.
It's called Birthday Party.
This one I think might have been me. It was a
that one's definitely you. It's pastel.
Mint slime. We got mint milk. Get it? By Ameerah. Next one is a nice plain pastel loom band with clear slime. Pastel Pool Party by Ameerah. Next one is, it's like pearlescent purple with blue glitter. Paul made it. Next one is called Unicorn Pond River. Unicorn Lip Gloss, that's what it was. I made it, by the way. Next one is a pearlescent blue. Gorgeous, darling, gorgeous. It's like Cinderella Fever, that's what it's called. Next one is Unicorn
Purple Pearl.
It's Purple Pearl, yeah, that's what we're gonna call it. Next one is Unicorn Ocean.
I would call it a pond more than a pond, yeah.
No, because it's like, it's green or it's green blue, kind of like the ocean. Next one is Christmas. This one is Unicorn Pond. I'm sorry, guys. This one is Unicorn Pond. It's got a little ducky in it. Oh my god, there's a freaking gross liver flopping around everywhere. This one is a clear slime with blue glitter and purple and yellow and other glitters with pony bands in it. Can you guys guess who made this one, guys?
Did I make that?
Yeah, Paul made it, guys. Next one is chocolate pudding milkshake. This one is milk. This last one, guys, is the one that I made. I just filled it up with this glitter. I thought it was really, really pretty. And yeah. We got all these slimes, guys. We still got a bunch bunch of supplies, ponies, eyeballs, a lot of glitter, guys. Unopened packs of glitter. We got a lot of paint, a lot of pearlescent paint, and then a lot of clear glue left. Look at this. Let me just show you guys really quick. Look at how clear. It's already clearing up. Okay, well, 10 slime kits, guys, makes a lot. $100 worth of slime kits makes a lot. But you know what also makes a lot?
A gallon of clear glue.
$100 worth of slime supplies. We need to do that now. $100 worth of slime supplies versus $100 worth of slime kits. Yes, I'm doing it. Okay. All right, guys, well, that's it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.